everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to use Gemini inside Gmail to save time and write better emails. Gemini can make email management more easy. For example, if you get a long email, you can summarize it so it will help you understand the email threads. And to do that, you can just tap on this button, summarize the email, or you can also tap on this Gemini icon, and then just to summarize this email. Like this, Gemini will summarize your email like this, and then Gemini can also help you make a fast replay like this. Gemini will give you a draft to respond the emails, and even you can directly add the draft into your email by tap on inserts, and it will look like this. And if you're satisfied with the draft, you can just send directly. Gemini can also set a reminders, for example like this. And as you can see, Gemini will set a reminder directly on your Google Calendar like this. And okay, that's it. With Gemini in Gmail, your inbox will become smarter, faster, and way more productive. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.